What's up guys, how is everybody doing? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Stacy and D's channel. Welcome back to my old subscribers. Welcome back also to my new subscribers, and most of all, welcome to my silent watchers. Guys, if you're new here for the first time, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell that whenever I post, you won't miss a video from me. You're gonna see 3 options. Please to put it on all, that you won't miss any of my uploads. Yes guys, so today I'm in the kitchen and I'm about to make some coconut bun or rock cake. It is known as rock cake or coconut bun, or coconut. I have to do with coconut. Yes, so this is my freshly washed coconut. I'm gonna go ahead and cut them into pieces and I'm gonna blend them out. Yes, I have the grate feature on my blender, so I'm gonna use the grate feature to grate it, right? You can, if you're gonna make this coconut bun and you want to use your grater, you can go ahead and grate your coconut, but I have no time for that, so I'm gonna just use my blender, which I go faster. And I have some flour right here, I have some sugar right there, and I'm out of raisin, so I'm gonna use my currant right here for the spice. I'm gonna use some currant. I have my ginger powder right here, my nutmeg, I have some vanilla essence, I have the regular vanilla, and I have some rose water. I'm gonna use a little bit of salt, baking powder, and some butter, of course. Yes guys, so basically these are my ingredients, so I'm gonna come right back and show you guys what I'm doing, so just stay tuned. So guys, basically now my next step is I put the flour in this bowl here, I add some butter, and I'm doing this, yeah, just to mix around the flour and the butter. Yes. So after getting the flour and the butter together, I'm gonna go in with my sugar. Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of nutmeg. This is spicing up the flour mixture right now. Give it some nice taste. Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my ginger powder. I'm also gonna go in with a little bit of the vanilla essence, not too much, just a little. Also gonna go in with the vanilla, a little bit of salt, not too much either, and I'm gonna add some baking powder as well. My judgment here, the baking powder, maybe I used a teaspoonful a while ago. Yes, I have my measuring spoon, but I just use judgment to do what I'm doing. I'm gonna go in with my currant at this point. Then I'm gonna add the coconut that I grate a while ago in the blender. I'm gonna go in with the coconut milk. So I'm gonna use the trash as well with the milk. And I'm just gonna add just a little tip of water, just a little tip of water to this, and I'm gonna mix everything out and come right back. Stay tuned. At this point guys, I go in with clean hands. I wash my hands again, and I turn this into a dough by mixing it all around, and it was looking something like this, sticky. Yeah, must be looking like this, not too thin, it must be sticky guys. Yeah, I already finished mix out this how I like it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in the oven. I'll show you guys the outcome. Stay tuned. So right here guys, they're all ready for the oven. These are all from the oven guys. The coconut bun is ready in two different styles. I do some in a baking tin, which is a cupcake tin, and I do some in this tin here. So I have two different styles right here. Yep. So guys, remember to subscribe to this channel if you're new. Remember to like up the video guys. For all our new subscribers, remember to like up the video, okay? I'll appreciate it, and share me out if you can. So guys, take care of yourself until next time.